VS Code extensions improve your productivity by many times. So we will look at 10 such extensions today to increase your productivity. So first up in the list is the code spell checker. This extension actually looks for spelling mistakes in the camel case code, such as this. If I look at here, I have misspelled the to-do list. This word missing an L. I can quickly correct this and I can fix the spelling mistake. So this will help you a lot to avoid common pitfalls around the spelling. Next is Docker. So Docker is a extension that will allow you to spin your containers and look at your images and even deploy your containers right from the VS Code itself. So it's an awesome tool. Please do check out. Document, this is an extension for JSDoc generation for your functions. So in the command menu, you can execute this command and see JSDoc analyzes your parameters and functions and generates nice JSDoc documentation. Next up is ESLint. So ESLint kind of highlights all your linting errors in your file. So let me take this file back to a version where it has lot of linting errors with quotations and semicolons, spacing, indentation such. So simply you can run a command, auto fix all the problems, and the extension will take care about formatting the file and fixing your lint issues. Next is Git Lens. Git Lens kind of gives you an overview about your Git changes right in the file. You can look at the changes, who have done the changes, and also there is a dedicated pan for the Git Lens. So this is a welcome screen I'm getting here, but you could see the list of history, the commits list and everything right in this pan. So live SASS compiler is an awesome tool to run spin up a light server for your project and see the output in real time. Let me hit the go live button. So this go live button will spins up a light server and open up my folder in this server, so I can preview my project, and also I can make the changes here and I can see that changes reflecting in real time. I don't need to refresh this page. Next up is the live SASS compiler. Similarly, I can compile my SASS files in live, so I can hit this watch CS SASS button and I can make the changes to my SASS file. As soon as I save it, it actually generates the CSS. So let me delete these two files, the map file and CSS file. Let me make a change to this SASS, and as soon as I save this plugin will take care about generating a CSS and its map file. Next up is the OneDark Pro. OneDark Pro is a nice color theme. So the one that I'm using right now, it's actually not black, it's kind of a deep blue. So this theme could be easy on eye and you could spend long hours working on computer. Prettier is a code formatter, so all the developers working on the same project should use same formatter. That will avoid lot of merge conflicts, and I prefer Prettier. So when I say format document, and once you install that plugin, it actually asks you to configure. Once you configure, it actually makes the changes. There are lint changes that have populated again. I can fix them and continue. Next up is the SASS Intellisense. So who wouldn't like an SASS Intellisense? Because any Intellisense will boost your productivity, because a developer deserves all the help he can get while coding, right? Those are all the extensions that I love and I work with in day in and day out. Obviously, I wouldn't have known some of the best VS Code extensions. Please let me know those extensions. I'd like to check out them. Thank you.